Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. So what I thought I would do is, because I have children and etc in my life, I want to give some gift guide ideas, because I feel that some of the ages of my children are getting more difficult. So I thought I'd share what my children requested or what they've liked over the years, which might help other people. So I just want to start. This is my first one. Girl. So my daughter is 8 years old, but some of the things she has wanted and received over the years, or wanting this year, etc., is squishmallows. She seems, these things, you can never have too many. This is one she got recently, a Grinch one. You might have seen in my B&M haul. Yep, the Grinch one. Now, the next item is a gymnastics bar. We got this for is it last Christmas, possibly? And oh, she loved this thing. She flips on it. She does all sorts. Her friends come around, they use it. So I recommend having some sort of mat underneath just to keep them safe, and obviously monitoring them. But absolutely loves that thing. It's had more use than anything we've ever had before. A gymnastics beam as well, because she loves to do gymnastics. But even if she didn't, she would still be on this thing balancing and loving it. On that, anything dance related, anything to wear for their hobbies. Another bit would be maybe an air track where they can flip in bits and pieces, which can be used inside or out. Ours tend to use it outside. A camera is something that's been requested in the past. You can get different ones for kids and older kids, etc. Now, board games. If you've got a child who likes to sit there and wants to spend time with you, etc., this is a great way to spend time talking to them. Barbies are another thing she's requested lots of over the years. The Barbie Dream House, we've actually had 2 of those over the years. We gave one away, because she wanted a newer one, which was fine because she used to play with it every single day. She's still got that. She got it in her bedroom and still sometimes looks at it now and plays with it. Clothes, she has requested clothes, including trainers, shoes, and jewellery as well. The other thing you may have seen on the B&M haul was an oven toy. It was called Cookies or something like that. Now, good novelty toy. I haven't checked if you can get kits, because it would be good to check if you could, but you make this thing into a dough, you put it in, and it turns into a soft toy that pops out. It's a bit like, in my head, like those magic mixies. She's had them in the past as well and liked them. She loves the toy she's got out of it, which was this. My hope is that you can buy kits, but I'm not quite sure if you would be able to for how they work. But yeah, she loves that.